From Elon Musk and SpaceX's latest announcement for Dogecoin to all the latest updates and data, I'm going to talk about some very important things today. So let's see what's happening out there. So first of all, we are now seeing that there is positive momentum in the crypto market right now, as almost all cryptos are now trading in the green with slight gains. We can see here that Bitcoin is up, Dogecoin is moving up, and some altcoins are showing tremendous strength during the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, we are also seeing that there is a drastic change in the overall market sentiment during this time. We can see here that the crypto fear and greed index is now sitting at the 28 level after moving up from 25. So it means that the extreme fear sentiment has now turned into fear, and it appears that there is some certainty among investors. So as a result of this slight improvement in crypto prices, the crypto market cap has added around $80 billion in a single day and is close to the $1.9 trillion level. All in all, everything is looking pretty good for the overall crypto market, and it appears that we are going to see more gains in the coming days or weeks. So we are now seeing that the Doge 1 mission by SpaceX is going to be launched soon. In fact, we are now getting this confirmation that the Doge 1 mission is going to be officially launched on June 1, 2022. A SpaceX Falcon 9 Block 5 rocket will launch Geometric Energy Corporation's Doge 1 mission to the moon from Kennedy Space Center, Florida, USA. So for those who don't know, Doge 1 mission is a rideshare mission to the moon completely funded by Dogecoin, becoming the first space mission funded by a crypto. And we can see here that this Dogecoin-funded mission to the moon will be supported by crypto exchange Unison in partnership with Geometric Energy Corporation. They will create the Doge 1 CubeSat that will be launched into a lunar orbit, and this miniature satellite will obtain information from space using cameras, sensors, and mirrors. Moreover, CEO of Geometric Energy Corporation Samuel Reed has previously stated that his company was proud to partner with Unison on the Dogecoin-funded mission. And he believes that Dogecoin was the unit of account to pay for the Lunar Launch Service Agreement. This is because the firm was trying to become the first crypto-paying customer of SpaceX's mission. And they believe that the natural choice for this mission was Dogecoin, given the interest in it being the people's coin. So this is a very positive update for Dogecoin, as we are now seeing its rising utility. And I'm referring to Dogecoin's utility since Elon Musk and his space exploration company SpaceX have confirmed that the Doge 1 mission will be funded entirely with Dogecoin. And it was announced in May 2021 by the Geometric Energy Corporation that the Doge 1 mission, the first ever commercial lunar mission paid entirely with Dogecoin, will launch in 2022 with the help of SpaceX. And the best part is that Doge has been selected as the payment method for all of its lunar operations with SpaceX, and they believe that this decision will establish a precedent for future lunar and Mars expeditions. As a result, it is now evident that Doge will play a critical role in future space exploration missions. Moreover, it was previously reported that the Doge 1 mission will be launched in early 2022. However, we saw some delays there. But the good thing is that we have just received confirmation that this mission will be launched on June 1 this year. So the point is that the Doge 1 mission is bound to happen, and although its launch has been delayed, it is still happening. And this is a massive development for Dogecoin and its community. Meanwhile, there were some speculations that this mission may not happen at all. So for those who are still thinking that the Doge 1 mission is not happening, we can see here that Elon Musk himself made it official back in May 2021. And we can see here that he was pretty excited about the first ever crypto going to space. So after seeing this official launch date, it is now confirmed that this moon mission is on the cards and is bound to be launched this year. And it means that Dogecoin is now actually going to the moon. Moreover, we saw last year that Elon Musk'S, the co-creator of Dogecoin, shared a tweet about humans living on Mars. And perhaps most intriguingly, he wishes for dog money to serve as the official currency of the future human civilization on Mars. And this is a significant tweet because Elon Musk already backed this idea by liking this tweet from Elon Musk'S. So it appears that in addition to taking Dogecoin to the moon, Elon Musk may also take it to Mars. And although Musk's Mars expedition with Doge has not been confirmed, we know how much he adores Dogecoin. And I believe he is on the verge of making this a reality for the Dogecoin community. And seeing that SpaceX has already been involved in the Dogecoin-funded moon mission, it is believable that Musk may have some other big plans for Doge. And if this happens anytime in the future, then this would be the best ever thing for Dogecoin and its holders. All in all, I think that this moon mission is going to become one of the biggest catalysts for Dogecoin's price and adoption. What I'm trying to say is that once this mission officially launches, Doge is going to get massive traction and a lot of firms and investors will show interest in it. So the point is that once Dogecoin witnesses massive adoption, there is no doubt that its price will also rise in the long term. And this is exactly why I think that holders should not worry about Dogecoin's recent sideways movement, and they should focus on the long-term outlook for Doge, which appears to be very bullish. And now if we come to its current price movements, we can see here that Doge has managed to show some positive momentum in the last 24 hours. After staying range-bound around the 11 cents price range for many days, we can see here that it is now trading around the 12 cents level. And the important thing to note here is that it has managed to move above the 20-day simple moving average while its MACD level is also sitting in the bullish zone. So this means that the overall sentiment for Doge is now turning positive, and I think that we may see it extending its gains in the coming days as well. And with that being said, let's come to Bitcoin for a minute. So Bitcoin is also showing some positive momentum during the last 24 hours, and we can see here that it has managed to trade above the 41K level during this time. So we are now seeing that Bitcoin's short-term momentum signals have turned upward, especially after the recent downside exhaustion signal. And the good thing is that its daily RSI value is rising above oversold levels, suggesting that the 4-month-long downtrend in price is nearing an end. And now seeing Bitcoin's current price movements, famous crypto analyst Michael van de Poppe is highlighting crucial price levels for Bitcoin to break through to trigger market acceleration. He is saying that Bitcoin must fight to stay above the 39K price level, since losing the 39.6K to 37.6K support level could send Bitcoin back to 30K. So if Bitcoin manages to hold current levels and resist dipping below 39.6K, then van de Poppe believes that Bitcoin could rise to 47K and beyond. Meanwhile, we know that 2022 has not been very kind to Bitcoin. In the past few weeks, Bitcoin has been jumping up and down on the market as if it was strapped to a bungee rope. However, Bloomberg strategist Mike McGlone is saying that there is no need to worry, as the year has only just started and could prove very successful for Bitcoin eventually. He is saying that facing the Federal Reserve, inflation, and war, 2022 may be primed for risk asset reversion and mark another milestone in Bitcoin's maturation. He believes that it's unlikely for Bitcoin to stop outperforming the gold, the stock market amid bumps in the road as the Fed attempts another rate hike cycle. So this is positive news for Bitcoin, and seeing this recent uptrend, we can expect it to outperform other markets in the long term. Moving on, we are seeing a massive price prediction for Bitcoin coming for the CEO of embattled crypto exchange platform BitMEX. So Arthur Hayes is saying that Bitcoin could see a 7-figure price tag in the future. He is seeing Bitcoin being worth millions of dollars in the long run because governments around the world cannot stop devaluing their currencies by printing money. Hayes believes that commodities like gold and Bitcoin should see their prices rise not necessarily due to an actual increase in their value, but because the fiat currencies that are used to assess them are constantly being devalued. Meanwhile, famous author and investor Robert Kiyosaki has predicted the end of the US dollar. He believes that the Russian-Ukraine war has given rise to crypto as a safer haven asset than government fake fiat money. Kiyosaki also believes that the best investment may be stocking products you will always use, such as toilet paper, trash bags, canned goods, frozen foods, gold, silver, and Bitcoin. And now, let's come to Ethereum for a minute. So Ethereum has witnessed significant buying pressure in the last 24 hours, and this is why we are now seeing that its price has been rising during this time. It appears that more and more investors are now buying ETH, and seeing this, we can expect some bullish moves from it in the following trading sessions. And now coming back to Dogecoin, we have just seen that the Doge 1 Moon mission is going to be launched on June 1. And as I said, it is going to act as one of the biggest catalysts for it that can help its price to move to the upside. So things are now shaping up pretty nicely for it. And that's it for today's video. If you liked our content, please leave a comment in the comment section below.